Courage. The word courage comes from the French word cœur, which means the heart. Courage is an important value to a person's life, just as the heart is important to the whole body. If the heart does not pump the blood to each and every organ in our body, we simply cease to exist. Similarly, courage is a critical value that enables and empowers a person to create the changes needed in his or her life. Through practicing gratitude, respect, and accountability, we are committed to become a much better version of ourselves in the future. However, it takes courage to truly face our fears, such as fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of disapproval, fear of discomfort, fear of the unknown, in order for us to achieve our goals. Life is a series of events and experiences that one goes through and continue to grow from. In order for us to become a better version of ourselves, sometimes we have to take a risk by going out of our own comfort zone and facing the unknown. Courage gives us the energy and strength to face our fears and get past them successfully. This requires us to understand what fears are preventing us from achieving our goals in our life, why we have those fears, and what we will become when we conquer those fears. If we practice gratitude, respect, and accountability, it will give us enough energy and motivation to muster courage to face our fears and go through them. Practicing courage will develop a positive attitude toward failure. As we go through life, it is warranted that someday we will encounter failure. And it is not the end of the world. It took Thomas Edison 10,000 times to successfully discover the electric light bulb, and his statement is the exemplary case of practicing courage. I have not failed. I just found out 10,000 ways that won't work. Through the practice of courage, each failure is just another step for us to take in order to achieve success in the future. By practicing gratitude, respect, accountability, and courage, we can equip ourselves with the strength and the energy to believe in ourselves, to have clarity as to what we want to achieve in our life, and to gain enough energy to go through our days with small, actionable items toward achieving the goal we already set for our life.